Bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazala bami Zitho, it's about ingane kaMusa Mseleku and uMakhumalo, guys. Umpilonhle as usister wakhe azosho. So today it was a graduation day of Umpilonhle. She graduated on University of KwaZulu-Natal. Now she has bachelors of social science, politics and history, guys. So she is finally done the first degree. I don't know, but I just wanted to say congratulations to Umpilonhle. And this guys, I think this should be a wake-up call for Usine. Meanwhile, Usine focus to Umpilo uyazitshela, Umpilo uyisnob, Umpilo unanan. Ngabe ufunda one thing from Umpilo. Yabona one thing about Umpilo. Umpilo, she's very focused and she knows what she want. One thing uMakhumalo ayinelile enkulo mshado is ukufundisa Umpilo ukuthi ukuziphatha and ukuba ne-focus, because Umpilo is very focused, guys. Let's just be honest. And I'm giving uMakhumalo her flowers because uMakhumalo uthi yena waqala ukumisa Umpilo when Umpilo was very young. At the age of 7 years bekasahlala noMpilo, bekasa are very close noMpilo. So umkhulisile basically Umpilo mntana kaMakhumalo, and uMakhumalo did attend i-graduation ceremony yakaMpilo. uMakhumalo ubaba uMseleku and umama kaMpilo ozala uMpilo, guys. She was also there, guys, and you could see umama kaMpilo bekakhala. You know, guys, umntana khoma graduates is a huge thing. It's something very worth being celebrated. So Mama Kampilo was there, very emotional, guys. Ubaba uMseleku is very proud. So he even posted Umpilonhle, and I don't know about how Usne would feel about this thing. I don't know how Usne would comment about this thing on the next season, not season 3, but I think season 4 of Izingane is the same. But I think this thing is something Gamseleku needs to be very celebrated, because I think kuyingane zaman, guys, kuyingane zamantombazana abantwana bakaMusa Mseleku, Umpilo is the first graduate. I'm not sure whether Umpumelelo graduated, but from what we know and what we see on socials, and like nje kuyizo zonke ingane zakaMusa Mseleku zo 11, Umpilo is the first graduate. That means Umpilo uneskill, uvule umnyango kaMseleku for amanye ama-assemblies. When I believe ukuthi if you know all one it's easy for you guys ukuthi nesikoleni. You know why? Because senomuntu enibukela kusenazi ukuthi lento iyayenza, akusiyiphupho lento iyenzeka nanoma kubani, because nangibusiswa wami yenzekelile. I understand. I just wanted to say congratulations to Umpilo. And I mean, guys, at some point I thought maybe it's into the business, since wakhe business or something related to business, about marketing, what no, okay, nje uzenzela abo social science, abo history, understand. And she did very cool. I just wanted to say congratulations to the whole family yakamSeleku, and I just wanted to say thank you to uMakhumalo ukuba umama kuMpilonhle. We know that ukhulisa ingane engaseyakho it's very difficult. Abo mama amaningi, many stepmothers, into abahlala bayisho it's very difficult ukukhulisa ingane engaseyakho, more especially umama wakhe mangabe usaphila. So sabonga uMakhumalo uthando, support and everything ayinike Umpilo Mseleku. And I think uMusa Mseleku will stop disrespecting uMakhumalo, because kuzo zonke lengane ingane ephume eza kahle nje kubo bonke lengane zakanazo uye lo Mpilo okhuliswa uye le furniture le yena abona as a furniture. But Bazala bami Zitho, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.